Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to I.C.S.E YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to study about cell the unit of life part 2. So before starting video, please like and subscribe our video to know more informative things. So guys, let's start the video. Today in this video we'll study parts of cell, difference between animal cell and plant cell. So guys, let's start the video. So first of all, we see how the cell looks, and here at left we have animal cell and at right we have plant cell. See, here I will tell you some basic concepts. Without that, you will not understand properly the information of cell. So first of all, I have told you in previous video that the starting of any organism will be start from single cell only if it is plants, animals, birds, etc. The starting of all living organisms is from single cell only. See, I will show you. Here we have one cell. The cell, after some days, the cell will divide into its requirements like muscle cell, skin cell, bone cell, etc. It divides according to its requirements. So here we have two cells. In these three things we have common. So first one is nucleus. Here you can see nucleus. This is nucleus. In both the cell, it is in both the cell, animal cell as well as in plant cell. And second one is cytoplasm. Second one is cytoplasm. This is cytoplasm. Here it is yellow color. In plant cell it is green color. This is cytoplasm. And third one is cell membrane. This is cell membrane. You can see in both the cells we have cell membrane. Here also we have in plant cell and in animal cell also we have. And so we cannot study all cells. We cannot study about all cells. In this video we will study only about generalized cell. In this we'll study only about generalized cell. We will get all the things, all the three things. We'll get all the three things common. In this both we'll get all the three things common. And second, for example, here we have human body. This is human body. And for the working of human body we need organs. Without organs we cannot work. And I will give you another example. In mobile, if we have battery then only the mobile works, otherwise it can't work. If we have battery then only it can work. And in cell, if we have organelles are the organs of cell. In cell, if there are organelles, then only it can work, otherwise it can't work. And here we'll list out two things. This is cell. This is cell. In this cell, we have two common things that are living and non-living. Living parts and non-living parts. Non-living parts are three. There are vacuole, cell wall and nucleoplasm. These are the three non-living parts in cell. These are the three non-living parts in cell. So living these three parts of cell, all are living parts only. When we will talk about the organs of cells, which is organelles, these organelles are always living in these organelles are always living in cell. These are living things in cell. So keep this thing in mind. These are fundamentals of cells. Now we'll see in this picture. On left there is animal cell and on right we have plant cell. In this both there are little differences. In this both we have little differences. So first difference in plant is, in plant we have cell wall. This is cell wall. You can see this is cell wall. And in animal we don't have cell wall. In animal cell we don't have cell wall. Animal cell is freely permeable, and we'll study it further. So this was first point. And second, vacuole of plant cell is more bigger than animal cell. The animal cell has very smaller vacuole than plant cell. And next is chloroplast. We have chloroplasts in animal cell. Here you can, in plant cell we have chloroplasts in plant cell. Here anywhere you can see chloroplast. In animal cell, no, because plasters are always present in animal cell. So let's study about cell membrane and cell wall. Cell membrane or plasma membrane. Cell membrane means plasma membrane, which is living membrane. Here the cell membrane is living thing. I had explained you first only. The cell membrane is living thing, which is living. This is cell membrane. It is living in cells. Here also it is living. It has life. It is living in both the cells. The cell membrane is living thing in both the cells. And second point is, cell membrane is selectively permeable and regulates the entry. Cell membrane is selectively permeable and regulates the entry. Selectively permeable means animal cell will give entry to any particle, and plant cell will give only restricted entry. For example, there is one boys school. Think, this is boys school. What happens in boys school? Girls entry is restricted. Like that only in plant cell, all the particles will be not entered. It has restricted entry. So here what happened? The girls are restricted in boys school. So this is what selectively permeable cell. Cell membrane gives entry to some things and no entry to some things. It can give entry to any things and restricted entry to any things. So here it will regulate the entry. The cell membrane. So this is only function. The regulation of entry. The cell membrane will regulate the entry. This is also one function of cell membrane. So cell membrane maintains a shape. Cell membrane maintains a shape of cell, and the environment of outside of cell. Outside of cell we have environment. It will keep separate from the internal environment and external environment. So this is also one function of cell membrane. Next we'll talk about cell wall. Cell wall will be present only in plant cell. I have told you first only. Only in plants we have cell membrane. Only in plants we have cell wall. And in animal cell we don't have cell wall. Well, one more thing. Cell wall is non-living thing. But the cell membrane is what? It is living thing. Cell membrane is living and cell wall is non-living. I have told you cell membrane is selectively permeable, but the cell wall is freely permeable. The cell wall takes all things. The cell wall takes all things, and the cell membrane takes only restricted. It takes whatever it wants. And so the function of cell wall in plant. So the function of cell wall in plant is what? It gives protection. The cell wall gives protection to plant cell. It protects plant cell from all the damages. It gives strength, rigidity, and it gives it a shape. This is the function of cell wall. Let's go further. It is between nucleus. See, I will show you what is cytoplasm. This is cytoplasm. It is between nucleus and cell membrane. The between what it is, the space between this is cytoplasm. It is cytoplasm. And in plant also we can see this all is cytoplasm. In plants also cytoplasm is there, and in animal cell also cytoplasm is there. Living nucleus, all the parts of cell are placed here only. Living nucleus, all the parts of cells are present in cytoplasm only. And so all the metabolic activities will become in cytoplasm only. What are metabolic activities? Metabolic activities are those which keeps our life sustained. For example, we need energy to lead life. So like that only, here it works the like energy is done by mitochondria. So in human body we have energy like that only. The energy which works in cell is known as mitochondria. Now we will go further about this. But mitochondria is where? It is present in cytoplasm. So guys, today it's enough. Let's study further in part 3. So don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. I have given link in beginning and the ending of the video. So guys, bye bye. Let's meet in next video.
I gave you my heart.